Hello, I'm World Cheesecaker Hirai. I went to the cafe which is famous on TikTok, Cafe Fleur. The inside of the cafe is bright and there are some plants. It's so cool. We have to reserve this cafe. But at that time I could eat there because guests who reserved it didn't come yet. Each lunch menu costs at least 1,000 yen. Cheesecake is over 1,100 yen. Beverages are 105 pesos at least. The lineup of cake is like this. This is San Sebastian burnt cheesecake. It is melting as much as it can't keep the shape. Let's taste. It is difficult to lift up because of softness. Creamy. It has milky and rich taste. It tastes a little sour and has comfortable sweetness. The bottom is moist and slightly sweet. It brings out the flavor of cream cheese layer. It is very expensive, but the quality and the hospitality of this cafe are excellent. Thank you for serving.